Namaste. Om Gam Ganapati Namaha Jai Vasavi. Welcome back to our channel. Today I thought of just sharing very little information which I know about Ashada Masa. We are very soon approaching Ashada Masa, that is the fourth month of the Telugu calendar year is Ashada Masa. From this month we are moving towards Dakshinayana, that is from the Uttarayana to Dakshinayana, that is the position of the rising sun is moving from north to south. So it is called as Dakshinayana. During the month of December, it starts moving towards the north, so it is called Uttarayana. So from June 21st, usually the sun moves from the north to south. Why this month is named as Ashada is because the Purvashada Nakshatra star shines prominently on the full moon day, and that particular star is very near to the moon on full moon day. So it is named after the star Purvashada, that is Ashada Masa. So this year, that is as per the Telugu calendar year, Shri Plavanama Samvatsara 2021, the Ashada Masa starts on July 11th and ends on August 8th. So that is the particular date. This is the monsoon season in Bharat. That is, the nature gets its life again with drops of rain. Usually, Ashada is considered to be very inauspicious for special occasions like weddings and housewarming, or opening a new venture, beginning a new project. For all that, it is not considered so auspicious, but it is considered very auspicious for pujas and many vratas. Actually, we can see that Ratha Yatra of Puri Jagannath begins during this period, and there are many other yatras like this. Chaturmasya Vrata also begins in this month only, that is from the Ashada Shukla Ekadashi. The Chaturmasya Vrata also starts during that 4 months. Many people follow many kinds of vratas because it is it's considered to be very auspicious and very beneficial in this doing pujas during this Chaturmasya. Then here you have so many festivals in Ashada. That is, you get Ashada Shukla Panchami. It is also called as Skanda Panchami, and it is very auspicious, performing Lakshmi Pujas and Subramanya Swami Pujas. That is he is also known as Kartikeyan. So it is called as Skanda Jayanti or Skanda Panchami also. Then you have Ashada Shukla Ekadashi. It is also called as Harishayana Ekadashi because on that particular day, Lord Vishnu enters into Yoga Nidra. This Ekadasi is also known as Devashayani Ekadashi. All the Ekadasis and Dwadasis of Chaturmasya are very important. And all the Fridays of Ashada is considered to be very auspicious for Shakti. And in during this Ashada in Chamundi Betta, many types of pujas are performed, and it is really very auspicious to and beneficial to devotees as well. Performing Mahalakshmi Puja and Trishakti Puja during the Ashada Fridays, it gives immense blessings from Mahalakshmi. We can perform Abhisheka and different kinds of pujas on Ashada Fridays. By performing all this, we can get blessings from Mahalakshmi. Whatever very little I know about Ashada Masa, I have shared with you. Thank you for watching.